Hey everybody, Phil Clemente here, Air Filtration Solutions. Hope you're all doing well out there. I'm here at one of my Kaisers and I'm doing the monthly mag readings. And this particular Kaiser I'm at today, the final filters are due next month in February. It'll be 24 months, 2 years. That's the frequency in which the multi-wedge 95s are changed. So filters are on the way in. We're going to start the job next month, but I wanted to share with you the readings. Going by and taking the readings, I just started, and as you can see right here, our final filters are at a 0.30 on air handler number 11 and a 0.35 on air handler number 12. So I'm just starting, but if you look at those readings, that's not even half an inch in 24 months. So there's no real sense of urgency to change the filters. If you look at them with a visual inspection, you'll see they're fine. There's no signs of breaking down. There's no signs of molds and spores. Again, Fiberbond products contain Sporax, so that's never an issue. They could actually stay in longer, and that to me has been such an important feature during COVID, because there's some hospitals don't want to shut down their air handlers, and they'd be forced to if they were using conventional products, because again, they don't have the durability and don't have the longevity, can't provide the longevity that Fiberbond products can. So there's no sense of urgency. You know, we could go in there, take our time, do a couple units a night. They have like 20 plus units on the roof, and take our time doing them. So this is an advantage in having durable, effective, long-lasting products during a crisis like where you are currently in. There's no real sense of urgency to change the filters. So anyhow, there's that, but I will show you what the pressure drops are, and on a 24-month cycle for the final filters, and let you see for yourselves. So I'm done. I went through all 21 air handlers here on the roof. Got all the readings down. I don't like to carry the big log with me. I just carry this, write it down, then I transfer it in the office. But as you can see, I said our final filters are due. And look at the pressure drop. The highest one is a 0.65. All the rest of them are just fine. And this is after 24 months. And then you can see our exhaust. We have one here that's a 0.95, so we got to change those. But we're still within the parameters. And then the pre-filters, we have one here that's a 7.5. That's it though. I mean, that's 6.5. We have a couple at 6.5. But this is what I talk about, how Fiberbond products makes managing your air filtration, especially when you have a system like Kaiser, where you could use extended surface filters all the way around, pre-filters, final filters, exhaust filters. I use the 440 cubes as pre-filters. They're MERV 9, and for the exhaust, and that captures pretty much like 90% of what's in the average square foot of air here in LA. And then our final filters, as I told you, and you see, they easily go 24 months. And during COVID, with everything being affected from supply chain, our supply chain is affected, freight, everything is going through the roof. And sometimes you can't get product for a few months. What used to take a couple weeks, 2-3 weeks to get, now takes 2-3 months. So having this setup at my hospitals has been a relief, to say the least. I was sweating getting product in, but going around my hospitals and seeing that even like in this hospital here, we have some areas where the exhaust filters are due to be changed because they went there 24 months. But the product isn't in yet, so we've gone beyond by a month so far on some of those. But there's no need to worry because you take a physical inspection of them, they look fine. Magnehelic gauge, the pressure readings are fine. So there's no sense of urgency. I don't have to stress. When the product gets here, I could change it in the log. I could put the reason why, make a note that as to why they went over. Our supply chain is affected. Couldn't get the product in on time. But again, seeing where we are on some of these on all these MAC readings, like I know, okay, I got product coming in. So for these that are reading higher here, I have product coming in within a couple of weeks that I ordered a few months ago. So I'm good. Final filters we got coming in, we're going to change them out. I mean, none of these is any alarming at all, any concerns at all. And then we could get to this one right here. And then we're good. So if you're looking to make a change with your filtration, if you're looking to make your job a little bit easier, to eliminate some stress, some headaches, Fiberbond products with Sporax, and now some of them are available with VE3 technology. That's why I use them. In my going on 30 years in this industry, this product is good for me and my company, and it's good for my clients. That's why I use them. Hope it helps.